Hello everybody. It is time once again for my weekly grocery shopping trip. Today is Friday. I try to go out and do my grocery shopping weekly on Friday. That is also the day that I pick up our farm fresh milk. So I am going to be picking up milk. I did this week end up going to the growers outlet on Tuesday. There's piano lessons on Tuesday, and it actually works out that the growers outlet is not that far out of the way once we're all the way to piano. So while Charity was at piano, I ran to the growers outlet to get some produce. I love going there this time of year when, it's harvest time. They have all different varieties of local apples and different, produce. Squashes and stuff are fantastic this time of year. So I did sneak over there and get a lot of produce, not a lot, but mostly apples actually, on Tuesday. And I did take a little bit of video of that. So I will go ahead and put that in here.
Mom, let's go over here. Oh, Mom, let's have those huge.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, they have these giant ones too. So Taiwanese cabbage, and then they have, oh my goodness, the kraut cabbages. Look at how big this is. Look at how big that is. That's bigger than Levi. That's twice as big as Levi's head.
More like 3.
Oh my goodness, this is like heavy weightlifting. My arm is shaking. Wow, that's crazy.
You're just crazy.
So I got some boards. You guys are hilarious. No, not unless you're a newborn baby.
Maybe it's a newborn baby swing.
So now I am headed out to Safeway. I am going to go there. I think that's the only place I need to go besides to the farm to pick up our milk. I have a $10 off $50 coupon. You guys know that whenever that is available, I try to take advantage of it. I have a couple of birthday treat items that I have to pick up stuff for. Actually, it's mostly ice cream. So there's 2 different events where we need ice cream for birthday gatherings, and so there's going to be a lot of ice cream. And then also one of the birthdays is one of the girls' friends that is actually having a sleepover at our house on her birthday because her parents were out of town, and so we're trying to make it extra special. And cinnamon rolls were requested, so I'm going to try to find like the Annie's organic cinnamon rolls to make for birthday breakfast. So a couple of things that are not typically in my weekly grocery hauls, but special treats. The other birthday is my son-in-law's birthday. Yes, it does still feel weird to say my son-in-law. A lot of you guys were surprised last week when I mentioned my oldest daughter, Autumn, was married, and yes, she got married in January this year. So yes, of course, it is crazy to have a daughter that is married. I am 40, will be 41 next year, and I had her when I was 21. So the math does check out. Some people were saying that, I didn't look old enough to have a daughter that was married, which I appreciate that. Thank you very much. But, the math just barely works out there. So anyways, son-in-law's birthday get together, gonna have some ice cream for that. I also am making a dinner for that. We're doing like a birthday movie night with them, and I'm gonna make beef stroganoff. I thought that would be really good. I can make regular pasta, and then I can make chickpea pasta or whatever gluten-free option. So I've got to pick up a couple things for that, like the mushrooms. So anyways, that stuff is on my list. So I think I'll be able to find everything I need at Safeway and then pick up our milk, and that'll be it. Before we head out, I want to say thank you to Element for sponsoring the video today. Element has been a longtime sponsor of my channel, and I am so very grateful for their support. I use Element Electrolytes every single day. It has become one of the routines, my daily routines that I really look forward to. They use a science-backed ratio of electrolytes of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. And that ratio of electrolytes works really well for me. I usually will do 1 or 2 packs a day, especially, in the cooler months right now. When it's hotter, I sometimes bump it up to 3. So Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to try a sample pack that has 8 of their regular flavors in it, all you have to do is use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get the free sample pack added. And don't forget that the chocolate medley pack, the seasonal medley pack, is available now for purchase. If you enjoy the chocolate flavors that you can have warm, you can add to your coffee or your tea, those are available now just for a limited time, so be sure to check that out. And thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today. Are you going to drink all of my electrolytes before we even get in the car?
Yes, he is.
All right, heading into Safeway. Let's see what deals we can find. Avocados are 79 cents, so we'll do those again. They seem to be on sale every week. I don't know that one.
Mom, can I get some baby oranges or big ones?
Let me look at the prices. I'm not sure yet. I don't see a price on that one, yeah. The little ones are $5.49. That's expensive and they don't look very good. Look at how bad that one is. Let's not do that.
Yeah.
Strawberries, there was a coupon for, and that might be a good topping. Ooh, that one's not good. That might be a good topping for ice cream, so we'll do those. Yeah, go ahead and get that one. Gotta get some carrots. Oh, let's put them down below.
Yeah.
I'll put them right here. All right, and then we need to get garlic, and we need to get, what was the other thing I just said? Oh, cucumbers.
Cucumbers?
Mm-hmm.
That's that one.
That's all we need of that. All right, let's go this way. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, there was a coupon for.
What?
Let's just get the ones that look really good. That one doesn't look so good. You can do that one and maybe this one. There you go. Thank you. You can put those up here.
Yeah. These could be like one.
Great choice.
Tiny-ish.
All right. Mushrooms. We gotta get mushrooms for the stroganoff. Let me look at the options here. I think I'll just get these. Put that one in. Well, let's see. These are 8 ounces a piece. I think that'll be enough. We're gonna do whipped cream. 1 and 2. Are you doing the whipped cream dance? Are you doing the whipped cream dance?
No.
Yes, you were.
Hey, Mom. Now we can have a banana split with whipped cream.
Oh, that would be good. Look at all those options.
Can we get chocolate?
Caramel whipped cream, chocolate whipped cream, peppermint whipped cream, pumpkin spice whipped cream, and then there's a cold foam. That just seems like too many options.
Can you get one chocolate?
No, we'll have chocolate ice cream and then just regular whipped cream. All right, I always check the reduced section, but it's been, I don't know how long till we found something, or since we found something that we actually needed. No, we don't. Put that back. Seltzer water. Yeah. Oh, they have Quest chips. I've never actually tasted Quest chips.
Mom, you pull this off.
So I know some people would be real thrilled about this. 4 bags for $4.50 basically. That is not very much food in there. Not gonna, oh, they have all the flavors. Look at that. All the flavors. Still got some cinnamon dust. All the pumpkin spice stuff is now on reduced, I guess. Harvest spice trail mix. Hot cocoa melt. Pumpkin. Wow. Oh, and the fall blend Starbucks. They got the turkeys on sale for 59 cents and free with a $150 purchase, but I don't know that I'm going to make a $150 purchase. I just don't need that much right now, but I might. Let's see. 11 pounds for 59 cents a pound. It's going to be like $6 or $7. No. Yeah. I might get a frozen turkey. Let's see. Raised with no added hormones or steroids. How exciting. Oh, contains 9.5% turkey broth, salt, sodium phosphate, sugar, and flavoring. You know, maybe I won't actually. Snickerdoodle almonds. And frosted brownie almonds. And peppermint cocoa. I think we got up to our $50 mark. I couldn't find the Annie's organic cinnamon rolls. I may run to Fred Meyer real quick to get those because I think they have them there. But besides that, I think we got everything we needed and we hit that $50 to get our $10 off. Okay, here's everything I got from Safeway. I got bananas because we can't go to the store without getting bananas. I got our mushrooms for the stroganoff. We needed some carrots, so I got a big 5-pound thing of carrots. Got 1 bag of mozzarella cheese. I got a bag of Parmesan because I was going to do garlic Parmesan spinach to go with the stroganoff tomorrow. So that's why I also got this big thing of spinach. We got a couple of ice creams for the birthday get-togethers and a couple whipped creams for the birthday extravaganzas. We got 4 avocados, 2 cucumbers. This is the garlic for the garlic Parmesan spinach. And then down here at the bottom, we got 2 things of strawberries. Those may go with the ice cream. They may just get eaten as is. So the total here was $49.13. I got all my coupons and then I got my $10 off the basket. So that was $49.13 at Safeway. Headed into Fred Meyer, and actually I remembered I had a stack of coupons that they sent me, so we'll look at those, see if there's any good deals there. Since we're here, we might as well. We've got several coupons for peanut butter, so we'll do that, and then we have this one for a free thing of cheese, which of course we're gonna get a free thing of cheese. Why not? Another one for peanut butter. I have 3 coupons for peanut butter. Those ones are expired. We're not gonna do those. And then I also have my bottle drop to get our bottle deposit back, which will take $9 off of our total. So hopefully we can get out of here pretty cheap. Fred Meyer came through with these cinnamon rolls, and they even had a cheaper option than the Annie's organic. Obviously not a health food, just every once in a while treat food. Free cheese. Fred Meyer coming through with the green bananas. So we'll get some more of those so they'll last us a little while. Yeah, I think these 2 will be enough. Here is what I got at Fred Meyer. It's got some green bananas. I got our free pack of sliced cheese, picked Gouda. I got 2 of the big creamy peanut butters for the kids with the 2 coupons, and then I had 1 coupon that was just for the smaller peanut butter, so I got 1 crunchy and then 2 of the organic cinnamon rolls. And then this was specifically requested by my son-in-law. It's just one of his favorite ice creams, and so it worked out that we were able to come here when I wasn't planning on it and grab that. So we have plenty of ice cream, everything everyone requested here, so we should be set to go on that. And the total that I spent was $32.54. I got my $9 off bottle deposit back, and those are all the prices there. Now we just have to head and pick up our milk and get home as fast as possible to get all of this ice cream in the freezer.
That fell.
We made it home and we got all of our milk, and thanks for going shopping with us.